Hati doon na nila daan.
Ha?
Ano daw ang imuhang bahin?
Okay, kaso. Midyaw. Kung sinuli yung gabi na yun. Okay. According to Philip, this is cocaine. So lahat ito. Initially, na-short. Then, kiusap ako sa mga tao doon na kung sino nakakuha ng mga ganito, kinuha nila. Sabi ko, do not hang on to it because mainit yan. Sa uli ninyo, so sinauli nila, no questions asked. Ito yun. So may kulang pa na unaccounted 13 na ganito. Either may nagkuha, tinago, o hinahanap pa nila kasi sinikwester ko man sila kagabi, sabi ko sa pulis. Kaya na sa uli yung iba. Sabi ko, walang lalabas dito without inspection. Pag nasa labas ka makita kita nito, gawain kitang pulis rin. So, ganon, nasa uli. But still unaccounted, 13 na ganito. Cocaine, we do not think that it is intended for the city of Davao. Walang makakaya nito. Sa Amerika lang to, Europe, pati itong mga industrialized countries na may pera talaga tao. Nobody tinkers with cocaine in this, except the multimillionaires. I don't know who are they. Pero ito lang mga addict na mga milyonaryo ang gumagamit ito. So ganito yan, yung container, international ang pasyalan yan eh. Maybe from Hong Kong dito, doon ginawa, o not necessary doon sa Hong Kong. Just an example. It could be China, Japan. Eventually, yung minumuto nila yung container, dating doon sa Korea, lagyan for America. But I do not think that Davao is really intended with this kind of expensive cocaine. At walang gumagamit dito as far as we are concerned. Meron pero not in this. Mahal to. High grade. This is opium from the poppies to. Tinanong yun. Heroin o cocaine. Ito yung binibira ng mga Amerikano. Yung bagong namatay na artista. Sino yun? What's yun? Actor. Overdose of cocaine.
Seymour Hoffman.
Nanalo yun siya ng Oscar. Not so famous. Mahusay na. Yung latest na namatay sa Hollywood.
Pero sir, is it
Personality.
release in Davao?
Hindi ito sa Davao. Kasi kung dito sa Davao, matagal na nawala ito. Nandoon na yan, nakaparking eh.
Sir, have we identified kung saan galing or kung saan papunta?
Padilla will answer that, but I do not think we are ready for that. It will take time for government to retrace. Yung ano niyan, retrace yan, and we have to go to Interpol.
Mayor, last 2009 na ay 16 kilograms na seafood na...
Yan, may duda kami na mayroon dito. I don't know if the city will, it is a matter of police work. Dito hanggang tiganahon silang ako and what we intend to do next. But as far as operational activity, you ask the police and city about that.
Would you
Again,
cut
is that-
down the mayor the ports where the vessel came from before the Davao port?
Ititrace pa yan. Kung saan ginamit tapos saan hinulot. But apparently, this has to be an international syndicate. Could be the Bambo Triad, it could be the Mexican connection. Ang problema niyan, nag-connect ngayon sila lahat. Then the planet Earth is in trouble. Pag itong sa Mexican cartel, tapos ditong Bamboo Triad, pag yan ang kunsabo, then would need really the whole world. The governments of nations have to fight drugs. Nakita mo na ito.
Mayor,
Not suicide.
kasi nakabalo, Mayor, na gawa siya o wala siya sa